Meron ka pa nga bang kailangang aralin? Kailangan ba may konting experience ka na or may idea ka na sa posisyon bago ka mag-enroll? Yung question dito ni Sanjoy is Shanjoy is specifically for PPC or pay-per-click. Ito yung media buying natin. But instead of just doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads, PPC talaga yung covered niya is Meta and Google. The good news is, lahat ng classes namin ay beginner-friendly na. But we also revamped everything. So before pa kayo maka-join sa live class, meron na kagad tayo tinatawag na onboarding that will give you an idea about freelancing, how to start working from home, lahat yun. So mag-onboarding muna kayo bago kayo ma-invite doon sa pinaka-live session. Tapos saka kayo makaka-join ng 2 weeks na internship. Tapos saka kayo makakapag-application book, final activity, mock interview, and your one-on-one with me. So kahit wala kang experience as a virtual assistant, you've never worked in your life, pwede din. Iga-guide naman namin kayo. Now here's the last and final call. Actually, na-reset lang talaga yung PPC class namin. Dapat last weekend yun. Na-reschedule siya kasi may bigla ang meeting si Grace. She's our mentor for PPC. So again, last and final call. Magko-close na yung form ng media buying class natin. What's Wednesday? Tomorrow at 12. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, it will open our Gig Hub. Hanapin nyo lang live mentorship, tapos 999 PPC media buying with internship. Nandyan na din lahat ng classes na ino-offer namin, and keep in mind, nandito rin yung free resources natin if hindi pa kayo sure kung para sa inyo freelancing. Kung nasa Instagram ko kayo, ito yung kiklik nyo. Pag hindi gumana ang TikTok at saka ang Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. Pagkatapos hanapin nyo itong post na to, sa mismong caption yung pinakang link to enroll. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. And yes, everything that I mentioned is only 999 pesos. So weekend na yung class nito, 4 till 8 p.m. Saturday and Sunday siya. Tapos after nun is yung pinakang internship. Sa internship guys ay ano siya, output based. So wala siyang oras na kailangan nyo siyang tapusin. Everything will be discussed sa onboarding. Again, PSE lang, this is closing tomorrow at 12. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home. Chismis tayo.